stop wondering where your paycheck went. It is time to plant a financial seed. Today, I'm going to share a tip for beginners looking to manage their money better. And that tip is applying seed method. Let's see what this is. S in seed says save. Pay yourself first. Save. E. Eliminate. Cut high interest debt aggressively. Next, evaluate. Check your subscriptions and hidden costs and try evaluating them and of course eliminating them. Finally, D. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's the seed method. Save, eliminate, evaluate, and diversify. Financial freedom is not a dream, it's a system. Start planting your seed now. Good luck.